Here's a product that I ran into. Happened to see him at Walmart at the optical section when I was walking by. I thought I'd give him a try. I mean, I've got a lot of things that require cleaning. A bunch of eyepieces, camera lenses. So I thought, well, what the hell? I'll give him a try. So this is how they come. And they come two attached to each other. Just pull them off like that. So here's one of my favorite eyepieces. It's a Teleview 31mm Nagler. Type 5. $650 eyepiece. So we're going to do something here. Something that you never want to do. I'm going to take my thumb. Put a fingerprint right on it. And when you're doing star parties, or even myself, as careful as I am sometimes, you'll get things on them, and they're going to get dirty, dust, dirt, and stuff, whatnot, when you're using them. And I like these because they got just the right amount of pre-moistening. Okay? So now let's... Took it right off. Spectacular. And so these are great to take with you when you're observing. And two, if something like that happens, you can wipe the eyepiece off and maintain that the oils from your hands won't do anything to the coatings. So you get 100 of these for $5, 5 cents a piece. I mean, that's a steal in my book. And again, you carry these with you in your camera case. I keep some in my camera case. And like I said, with eyepieces, when you're out at the telescope, these are invaluable as far as I'm concerned. So just thought I'd pass that along. I'm always leery of using products because you always want them, you got high-end optics and you want to make sure that they don't get damaged. I saw the ZEISS name. I don't know. I'm assuming they make them, but they're going to make sure that they're made to their standards. And like them a lot. Really like them. Thought I'd pass this information on.